So the second one we're going to look at is called Check and Challenge, and Alice is going to go through very much from a practitioner point of view. But just to look at this as a teacher on the site, to access Check and Challenge, you're best to go through the Teach area. So click on Teach and then choose your subject. I'm going to choose maths, but again, Check and Challenge is something we have across almost every subject, so it's really wide ranging. So we click on maths. What you'll notice is next to each topic, if there is this diamond icon, that means Check and Challenge is available for that topic. So if I choose statistics, you'll see actually every topic has a Check and Challenge, at least one. And Check and Challenge, unlike exam style assignments, Check and Challenge is actually available to students to use independently. So everything Ben and I have shown up to this point does have to be set by a teacher. The Check and Challenge doesn't. The students can just log on, choose a topic, and start completing the questions. Now, I'm still logged in as a teacher, and you'll notice that as a teacher, I can also access the questions. But because I'm a teacher, I have two modes. I have teacher mode and student mode. So if you want to look at a Check and Challenge as if you were a student, you use the student mode, and this will mimic exactly how the students use the Check and Challenge. So you can actually check it out for yourself, you can see how it works and practice using it. When you want to use it in a lesson, we actually recommend teacher mode. And the benefit of teacher mode is that it allows you to skip between questions. So you might have a particular question you want to ask, and this allows you to skip to it, whereas student mode, you have to go one after the other. The other benefit of teacher mode is that you can reveal all of the answers to every single question, answer and distractor, like so. So whereas if a student goes through it, they only see these, what we call justification statements, so the reasons why it's right and wrong, they only see that for the chosen answer. As a teacher in teacher mode, you can reveal everything on one screen. And this can be a really brilliant tool to use in a class as a starter, maybe as a way of helping you identify which students have got the knowledge and are ready to move forwards. So you can use Check and Challenge in teacher and student mode. You also have the option to share it with students. Now, as I mentioned, the students can access it without requiring a teacher to share it, but some teachers just like to actually send a link to the students, maybe on another platform, and that's the share option here. So here I can choose the Check and Challenge I want to share, and then I've got various options. So if you, for example, use Microsoft Teams, you could just click the link and then it would open up your Teams and you can choose the group to share the link with. And that means when the students click the link, it will take them straight to question 1 of the Check and Challenge. So they don't have to worry about finding it on the website. Now, once the students have completed the Check and Challenge, you can then view their results. And again, everything is in this toolbar. So we've got the student results here. And all you need to do is tell us which class or group you want to review. So here are my groups, my classes, and I'm going to pick this top class here. Then we choose the Check and Challenge, go for histograms, and click Go. And that will then find all of the questions that were in that Check and Challenge. So there's about 8 questions in this one. It will show me how many of the students in that particular class have completed that question, and then it will show me the results. And I believe Alice in a moment will be able to tell us a bit more about this results page. But just before I hand over, you can, as well as seeing the aggregated results for a single question, you can also view a markbook style, which allows you to see the individual results for each student.